In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off AirDrop on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. AirDrop is a safe and fast way to transfer files between your iPhone or iPad and the people you trust. But to avoid accidentally receiving unwanted files on your iOS device, it's a good idea to keep AirDrop turned off unless you need it. There are two ways you can turn off AirDrop on your iPhone: through the Control Center or using the Settings app. Let's see how you can do it using the Settings app, because I believe this method is the easiest one. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap General. Next, tap AirDrop. Here, you'll find three options: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone for 10 minutes. We're going to select the option Receiving Off, and this will prevent your device from receiving any AirDrop requests. So, that's how you can turn off AirDrop on your iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.